In a significant crackdown operation, the Health Sciences Authority (HSA) and the Singapore Police Force (SPF) have successfully seized approximately 165 liters of cough syrup from a condominium unit in Geylang. This operation, which marked one of the largest drug seizures in the past 5 years, also uncovered over 57,000 units of various other medicines, including cough suppressants, armodafinil, and sedatives. The estimated street value of the seized drugs totals around 130,000 Singapore dollars. The joint operation, fueled by extensive intelligence gathering, culminated in a 2-day mission that ended on May 14. Officers from both the HSA and SPF ambushed and detained a male suspect as he was leaving his apartment. Following his apprehension, the suspect led the authorities to his unit, revealing a makeshift drug manufacturing setup that had been in operation since December 2023. The suspect's bathroom served as the primary production site for the illicit cough syrup, with measuring cups filled with the mixture found placed haphazardly next to the toilet bowl and on the sink countertop. During the raid, HSA officers confiscated a significant amount of illicit substances, including 984 prescription-sized 90 ml bottles, one 3.8-liter canister, and 3 25-liter plastic buckets filled with cough syrup. Various tools used in the manufacturing process, such as measuring cups and stirrers, were also seized. The discovery of this operation underscores the ongoing efforts of the HSA and SPF to combat the illegal sale and distribution of unauthorized medications within Singapore. Ms. Annie Tan, the HSA Director of Enforcement Branch, emphasized the agency's commitment to safeguarding public health through rigorous enforcement actions. She stated, "HSA will persist with our enforcement efforts and continue to work with the police and relevant agencies on targeted operations to disrupt the illegal sale and supply of such medicines to safeguard the Singapore public." The public is urged to report any suspicious activities related to unauthorized cough syrup and medications to the HSA Enforcement Branch. The penalties for importing, manufacturing, or supplying illegal health products in Singapore are severe, with individuals facing up to 2 years in prison, fines of up to 50,000 Singapore dollars, or both upon conviction. This stringent legal framework reflects the authorities' dedication to maintaining the safety and well-being of the community by preventing the proliferation of harmful and unregulated health products. This incident highlights the critical role of community vigilance and interagency cooperation in the fight against illegal drug manufacturing and distribution. The collaborative efforts between the HSA and SPF demonstrate a robust response to the growing threat posed by illicit drug activities, ensuring that Singapore remains a safe and healthy environment for all its residents. Stay informed and vigilant, and remember to report any suspicious activities to the relevant authorities. Your proactive steps can contribute to the collective effort in curbing illegal drug operations and protecting public health. We encourage you to share your thoughts and comments on this matter. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, 2230, for more updates and in-depth coverage of news happening around the Asian region.
在一次重大的打击行动中，新加坡卫生科学局 HSA 和新加坡警察部队 SPF 成功从牙龙的一间公寓查获约165升止咳糖浆。这次行动标志着过去5年来最大规模的毒品查获行动之一，还发现了超过57000单位的各种其他药物，包括止咳药莫达菲尼和镇静剂。查获毒品的街头价值估计约为13万新加坡元。这次联合行动是在广泛情报收集的推动下，于5月14日结束的为期2天的任务中进行的。来自 HSA 和 SPF 的官员在一名男性嫌疑人离开他的公寓时伏击，并逮捕了他。在他被捕后，嫌疑人带领当局前往他的单位，揭示了自2023年12月以来一直在运营的简易药品生产装置。嫌疑人的浴室是非法止咳糖浆的主要生产地，量杯中装满了混合物，随意地放置在马桶旁边和洗手台台面上。在突袭中 HSA 官员没收了大量非法物质，包括984瓶90毫升的处方药瓶、一个3.8升的罐子和3个25升的塑料桶装的止咳糖浆，还查获了各种用于生产过程的工具，如量杯和搅拌器。这次行动的发现凸显了 HSA 和 SPF 在新加坡打击非法药品销售和分发的持续努力。HSA 执法分部主任陈安妮女士强调了该机构通过严格执法行动来保障公众健康的承诺。她表示 ，HSA 将坚持我们的执法努力，并继续与警方和相关机构合作，开展有针对性的行动，打击非法药品的销售和供应，以保障新加坡公众的安全。公众被敦促报告任何与未经授权的止咳糖浆和药品有关的可疑活动给 HSA 执法分部。新加坡对进口、制造或供应非法健康产品的处罚非常严厉，个人一经定罪，可能面临最长2年的监禁，最高5万新加坡元的罚款或两者并罚。这种严格的法律框架反映了当局通过防止有害和未经监管的健康产品的传播来维护社区安全和福祉的决心。此事件凸显了社区警觉性和跨机构合作在打击非法药品制造和分销中的关键作用。HSA 和 SPF 之间的协作努力展示了对非法药品活动构成的日益严重威胁的有力回应，确保新加坡为所有居民提供一个安全和健康的环境。保持信息灵通和警觉，记得向相关当局报告任何可疑活动。您的积极行动可以为遏制非法药品操作和保护公众健康的共同努力做出贡献。我们鼓励您分享对此事的看法和评论，不要忘记点赞、分享，并订阅我们的频道 20to30， 以获取更多有关亚洲地区新闻的最新消息和深入报道。